Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
When Swayambhuva Manu saw that his grandson Dhruva Maharaj was killing so many of the yaksas who were not actually offenders, out of his great compassion he approached Dhruva with great sages to give him good instruction. Dhruva Maharaj attacked Alakapuri, the city of the yaksas, because his brother was killed by one of them. Actually, only one of the citizens, not all of them, was guilty of killing his brother, Uttama. Dhruva Maharaj, of course, took a very serious step when his brother was killed by the yaksas. War was declared, and the fighting was going on. This sometimes happens in present days also. For one man's fault, a whole state is sometimes attacked. This kind of wholesale attack is not approved by Manu, the father and lawgiver of the human race. He therefore wanted to stop his grandson Dhruva from continuing to kill the yaksa citizens who were not offenders.